Most of the projects don't fail during the execution. They fail because of one of the wrong decisions that has been made before the project even starts. And that decision is choosing the wrong tech stack. Hi everyone, welcome back. In the last video, we used 5W 1H to understand the projects. But now comes the real questions. How do you decide how the project will be built? What will be the tech stack that needs to be used to make sure that the project that is built is within the timeline and is done smoothly?
Tools randomly based on past experiences or trends, and that leads to delays, reworks, confusion and frustration.
But a good project manager does not guess. They structure the decision.
The simplest way to do this is using a decision matrix. If your team does not know the tech, your team timeline is already at risk. Let's understand one by one each row. Team skills. If your team already knows the technology, it scores high because delivery will be faster. Scalability. If your product is expected to grow, you give more weightage to the scalability. Timeline. And if the deadlines are tight, timeline becomes a high priority for you. You are not choosing the best technology. You are choosing the best fit for your project. And once you score and weight each factors, the right option becomes clear. This is not about exact numbers. These are relatively scores used to compare the options based on what matters the most. Now, modern PMs take this one step further. They use the AI to make this decision smarter. You can start by asking AI to compare the options. As you can see on the screen, I have added the prompt and let's see the result. Here, as you can see, this gives you a structured starting point. But here's something. The real power will come when you add your project context into the prompt for the AI. As you can see on my screen, I have added the detail that my team has more experience in React and that the deadline is really tight. Let's see what answers I get from this. And this is exactly how the PM thinks, balancing the constraints. They will use this detail to make sure that all the constraint points are checked and then a proper answer is given by the AI. Now, let me show you how modern PM use this all information and combine them to get a starting point to finalize and make the decision. What I have here written down what way I want this entire information to be. And as soon as I do that, here is what I get. I have made sure that I get comparison on the take based on my team's skill which I have previously given, and also I want all the risk to be shown so that I can make a proper decision.
A new tech will always look exciting, but if your team isn't ready, a simpler option might be better decision. PMs don't chases the trends. They reduces the risk. In the next video, I will show you the templates the PMs use before executing any project. Follow along if you want to learn real project management. And let me know in comments other difficulties that you face or you might have missed before starting the execution of project, or any method that you are using and it's helping and working like a magic for you.